Hey, what's up everyone? It's Hey Jon. I jabber opportunities nonstop, and in today's video, I will be giving some history lessons of Bitcoin and showing some promising news of what Elon Musk and Vitalik is doing for the Dogecoin or cryptocurrency markets. And of course, I will be covering Bitcoin and Dogecoin charts at the end of the video. So if you don't want to hear a lot of news and you want to go straight to the charts, just fast forward and check it out, okay? History lesson. Crypto prices are ruled, generally speaking, by greed and FOMO. Historically, X amount of time after Bitcoin rallies, people who missed out want to get in early with something else. So then the altcoins rally and go crazy. And then X amount of time after people missed out on that altcoin rally because maybe they didn't know about it or they thought it was just a scam, new crap coins go nuts and you see new crap coins emerge. In 2014, 2015 here, crypto values slowly went down for about 1.5 years before recovering. In 2017 to 2018 here, crypto values also went down for about 1.5 years before recovering. For perspective, it's been 2 months since Bitcoin has been at the all-time high. As you know, it is historical data to put things into perspective. Who knows? Maybe things will be different this time or next time, and another rally will come sooner rather than later for any reason we could think of here. Right here, right? Because as you know, cryptocurrency is always alive and dead. You see plenty of FUD and you see plenty of excitement here. And now I'm seeing folks, they're freaking out after a 2-month plunge. But as you know, in the past, it has taken about 1.5 years before we saw the recovery. Could we see another crypto winter? So why are people freaking out? Well, if you're down about 60 to 70% or even 80%, I mean, I understand why you would freak out, but this is a cryptocurrency market, and the reason why you're in this market is because you want to make phenomenal gains. And as you know, there's also the flip side where you can have phenomenal losses. Cryptocurrency is very volatile. That's kind of why I usually encourage people to only throw in what they can lose, because there is no regulation here. It's a wild, wild west. So you have to protect yourself, and you need to be able to withstand these blows. Because if you're not able to, and you have weak hands, maybe cryptocurrency isn't for you. Maybe a different investment vehicle, such as stocks or maybe an index fund that is less volatile, and that'll help you sleep better at night. But if you're like me and you want to make lots of money, well, then you have to go into cryptocurrency, because currently the stock market is diluted to the point where it's already at the all-time highs. So there isn't much to be made, but currently cryptocurrency is down like 60, 70%. So there are gains to be made here, and you can make a lot of money. But the only thing is that you need to have the high conviction trades. And before you buy into a cryptocurrency, make sure you do your due diligence and read about it before you invest into it, okay? You don't want to get stuck into a trade or an investment where you don't believe into it, because you will most likely paper hand and sell it for a huge loss, as I've seen on my YouTube comment page. So don't be one of those people, because you don't want to be in a position where you're in a rock in a hard place, okay? So what is the meaning of do only good every day? Well, CEO Elon Musk has donated about 150K of Dogecoin in February, which funded 63 individuals in Rwanda who lost their income due to COVID-19, according to a social media post by Give Directly. Well, I think that is very nice of Elon Musk. I mean, yeah, wow, 150K Dogecoin. It doesn't sound like a very lot to Elon Musk, but the fact that he even does it, well, you know what? It says a lot about a person here, right? Who gives, right? It's not about the amount you give. It's about the fact that you give, period. And as you know, Elon Musk gives us, the cryptocurrency community, plenty of tweets and plenty of bounces to the upside. So I think overall, the man is a good guy. But as you know, of course, at the flip side, Elon does what Elon does. So what happened? Give Directly, a non-governmental organization that specializes in digital cash transfers to the impoverished, said on Twitter, on Tuesday that each of the recipients received approximately $152. While that does not sound like a lot to you and I in America or in any other developed country, but in Africa or Rwanda in this case here, I'm pretty sure the $152 goes a long way. I'm not sure what the exchange rate is or how far it goes. It could be a month's salary, maybe 2 months, 3 months, who knows, right? But the point being is that it's a lifeline and it helps a lot. So in January, Musk donated $5 million to the online education platform Khan Academy. By the way, I'm not sure if you guys know what Khan Academy is, but it's essentially a YouTube video site where they give plenty of free education, where they cover any topic you want to cover, from biology to calculus to programming to etc. It covers everything, and it was started as a grassroots program. And I personally have used it a couple of times, and honestly, the information is great. And education online on YouTube is, in my opinion, phenomenal because you can zoom in and get to what you want exactly and get rid of all the fluff. The Academy operates as a nonprofit and provides free online education. As I said before, Khan Academy is a free thing, and they have plenty of topics. It's a broad range. When I first started seeing it many years ago, it was only one guy doing it, and my God, that man is a machine. And now it's expanded to more topics and more people, and that's great because this is education on demand, right? Pay-per-view, but no, this is free per view and education on demand, and I think this is phenomenal given the fact that we're seeing all this homeschooling and education making a transition to the online here. I suspect Khan Academy has seen an influx of flows of viewers here due to that. This month, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik said he sold half of his Doge holdings and received $4.3 million. He said he gave the profits directly to Give Directly. Wow. Well, you know, as they say here, right? These rich people, these billionaires, these millionaires, when one person gives, you know what? You will not outdo me. I will also give. And you know what? In this case, it's a good thing here, right? You know what? Let me one up you by giving some more. Fantastic, right? Because this is a good charity here, and it helps people, you know, directly. So you know what I say to this? For the one time here, I'll say it right now. It's awesome to give, and it's awesome to have a one-up competition here in this case here. Usually one-upping is kind of, you know, toxic, but in this case here, I think it's good for the people. And I want to thank Elon Musk and Vitalik for doing that giveaway. That's fantastic. Good job, guys. Let's go ahead and check out Bitcoin now real quick, all right? Check it out. So yesterday in the live stream right here, right, with Nick Papadoglio, we were seeing the Bitcoin downward trend line getting pierced in the live stream last night. And that was quite phenomenal because the fact that we went through it was great here, right? That means we are breaking a long-term downward trend line. And here we are now currently at 33,755, okay? And we went through it, and I'm saying, you know what, guys? We need to confirm the breakout above the downward trend line. And we are seeing the confirmation so far. We're trading sideways a little bit and doing some consolidation. And that's, you know what? That is not a bad thing in this case here. However, though, we need to see if Bitcoin will pull back to 33,163 and bounce off of this downward trend line. If that happens, to me, this would be the confirmation, and this could be the next bull run. And the reason why I suspect Bitcoin is rising right now is because, and now we are seeing folks like Cathie Wood buying Bitcoins and Coinbase investing heavily into it. And as you know, they have a massive following, and when they buy, people will follow suit and buy as well. That is how the market works, normally speaking, because as you know, not everyone does their own due diligence, and when someone popular buys and has influence, guess what? People follow suit and think they will make a quick buck. Just like when Elon Musk tweets, guess what? Everyone buys, it pops up, and it sinks back down almost immediately. So now we are seeing a similar phenomenon happen here, but of course with Cathie Wood, she's more of an investor, so this could be a good thing, and we can see long-term growth for Bitcoin, and of course, by default, that will affect Dogecoin. And as you know, currently, the Bitcoin to Dogecoin ratio is a 1-to-3. So when Bitcoin goes up 10%, Dogecoin goes up 30%. On the flip side, when Bitcoin goes down 10%, Dogecoin goes down 30%. So let's go ahead and check out Dogecoin now and see what's popping over there. Here's Dogecoin. Check it out. So Dogecoin broke above the 2245 resistance. It's been a while since we've been there. And clearly we've broken up through it now. Now we need to see confirmation. So if we pull back to 2245 around there, you want to see the Dogecoin bulls pile in to buy some, all right? However, though, I've seen even Billy Marcus come into the market and buy some Dogecoin as well. So, and the guy paper-handed many, many years ago. So this could be a sign, right? Because Billy Marcus has a massive following now on Twitter. So if he's saying he's buying some, well, I'm pretty sure folks will follow suit and buy as well. And this could be the catalyst we need. Because so far for Dogecoin, there's been plenty of FUD and plenty of pessimistic news. So we see someone like Billy Marcus, who paper-handed many, many years ago and said and vowed and said, I would never buy cryptocurrency or Dogecoin ever again. And here he is buying some. So you know what? Again, this could be the catalyst we need to get the volume back into our beloved Dogecoin. So watch out for the support of 2245 and the resistance of 27.2. All right. If you guys want up to 250 bucks in Bitcoins, link down below in my description for BlockFi. If you guys want to get 2 free stonks, courtesy of WEBULL, valued up to $1,800, all you gotta do is deposit 100 bucks and use my link down below in my description. It's Hey Jon. I will catch you all on the next one.